If you're a designer like me, you enjoy looking at new technology that helps bring ideas to life, and 3D printers are part of that. As we move into 2025, the improvements in 3D printing are really exciting. I've put together a list of the top 5 best 3D printers for 2025 that offer accuracy, new ideas, and lots of creative possibilities. Hey, with Christmas coming soon, these gadgets could be the perfect gift for someone who loves making things or is into technology. You can find links to all the products in the video in the description below. Let's begin. Number 5. Creality K1 3D Printer. The Creality K1 3D printer is the best tool for anyone who wants to turn their ideas into real objects fast and accurately. What I really like about this printer is how fast it works. It can print up to 600 millimeters per second. This means you won't have to wait long, and you can spend more time making things. Also, it has a special Core XY design that helps keep your prints stable and precise, even when working quickly. The build size of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters is great for making anything from small models to bigger creative ideas. Its 2-gear direct extruder helps the material flow smoothly, and the automatic leveling feature makes it easy to set up, even for beginners. Number 4. M5 Speedy 3D Printer. The M5 Speedy 3D printer is a strong tool for people who want quick and high-quality prints. This machine is really fast, which is great when you need to turn your ideas into reality quickly. It's not just quick, it also gives you accurate and detailed results that will make your projects look great every time. With a big build area of 260 by 260 by 260 millimeters, you will have enough space to handle larger prints, whether it's a detailed model or a nice decoration for your home. Its auto-leveling function makes it easy to set up, and the direct drive extruder helps feed the filaments smoothly and reliably. This makes it great for using different materials like PLA or TPU. The smooth gray design gives a nice look to your work area, and it's easy to use for both beginners and experienced users. If you want things to be fast, good, and easy. Number 3. Creality K1 Max Flagship 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max is a high-quality 3D printer that is great for experienced users who want quick and high-quality prints. It can print very fast at 600 millimeters per second, making it one of the quickest 3D printers available. You can easily make big projects. The design inside keeps your prints safe, and the auto-leveling feature makes it easy to set up. Also, its smooth black design gives a modern feel to your work area. Whether you're creating detailed models or useful tools, the Creality K1 Max gives you great results every time. Number 2. K1C Flagship Fast 3D Printer. The Creality K1C is a great choice to buy because it offers super fast printing and high quality, which is ideal for experienced users looking to get a lot done. Its printing speed of 600 millimeters per second lets you finish projects much faster than other 3D printers. Lets you make bigger, more detailed designs without cutting corners. The closed design keeps your prints safe and steady, and the auto-leveling feature makes it easy to set up. Buying the Creality K1C means you can count on it to work well and give great prints every time. Number 1. Creality K1 Max Speedy 3D Printer. The last and most important product is the Creality K1 Max Speedy 3D Printer Basic Combo, which offers high-quality printing and fast performance. Lets you finish even complicated projects really quickly, making it great for experienced users who want to work efficiently. Provides lots of room for big, detailed prints, allowing you to handle many different projects without limitations. The design keeps the printing area steady, and the auto-leveling makes setup simple, allowing you to concentrate on creating without any problems. This printer is made to be very good, so it's a trustworthy option for people who really care about 3D printing. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.